Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the multicolour butt plug set by the EasyToys online collection. So let's get started. So this is the multicolour butt plug set itself. Now these are perfect for men and women who want to explore anal play. It comes in 3 sizes, small, medium and large, and come in beautiful different colours. So the smallest butt plug here is shown in purple. It's made of a soft material and is also flexible. Next we have the medium plug, which is a little bit more firm but still flexible and is in a beautiful blue colour. And last but not least we have the largest butt plug, which is shown here in a fun red colour. It is the largest, so you can work your way up to this, and it is more flexible and more soft for a comfortable use. Each of these 3 butt plugs have a wide base and a pointy tip for easy insertion during use. Now, when using these butt plugs, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean them after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the multicolour butt plug set by the EasyToys online collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.